You have hundreds of contacts, dozens of group chats, thousands of followers. But at night, when you put the phone down, you feel completely empty, like nobody truly knows the real you. Here's what nobody tells you about that feeling. It is not your weakness. It is your greatest untapped power. Psychology separates two states most people confuse: loneliness and solitude. They look identical from outside, but they are completely opposite experiences. Loneliness is desperate. It measures your worth by who is in the room. It scrolls at midnight hoping someone will notice. It needs people to feel complete. Solitude is chosen. It is the deliberate decision to be alone, not because no one wants you, but because you want the silence that other people cannot give you. And in that silence, you can finally hear yourself think. Now here is what high performers understand that most people miss. The crowd is loud, and loud is expensive. Every evening lost to groups, talking about other people's lives, every hour spent in conversations that go nowhere, is time not spent building something. This is social fasting, stepping away from the noise deliberately, not with bitterness, not with ego, with purpose. When you stop filling every empty moment with other people, your goals become clearer, your priorities sharpen, your tolerance for meaningless distraction drops completely. But here is the most critical reason to get comfortable alone. When you are terrified of being without people, you become dangerous to yourself. You accept treatment you should never accept. You tolerate disrespect just to stay included. You change who you are to fit rooms that were never built for you. Manipulators understand this perfectly. They specifically search for people who cannot be alone, because someone desperate for company will do almost anything not to lose it. The moment you become genuinely comfortable in your own silence, that leverage disappears completely. Nobody can threaten to leave you when you have already made peace with yourself. And history confirms one truth over and over. Every person who built something extraordinary built most of it alone, not because the world rejected them, because they chose the quiet long enough to become someone worth knowing. The crowd celebrates the champion. The champion was built in complete silence. Do not fear the quiet nights. Use them. Type solitude in the comments if you are building in the dark.